I'm Jen Gardner. I own Jennifer Gardner Interiors and I'm a painter and decorator.
My name is Kornelia. I'm 23 and I'm a female electrician.
I'm Gina. I work in multi-trade and plumbing and heating.
My name's Elise Walter. I'm 23 years old and I'm an apprentice.
I've always sort of dabbled with painting and decorating in my own homes, and I did a bit at my mum's, things like that.
I actually went in to do electrical after I finished school, but I wasn't confident enough because I was the only girl in the class, and I dropped out and I did dental nursing for 2 years. It's a funny story actually. Every time I'd go to develop an x-ray for the dentist, I'd look down at the little fuse board and I'd be like, this is just what I want to be doing. I don't want to be here, I want to be, you know, doing electricals.
A friend of mine hired me in an electrical company to help them with administration. One day I just asked, why can I not try doing what all the guys do? And he said, oh, would you really like it? I was like, yeah, I want to try it.
After I had my daughter, I basically did lots of short courses and I found a course that was plumbing and heating in your own home. I found out they had an apprenticeship and I was put forward for it, and that's basically how I started.
When I started doing it and training, I thought, actually, I am quite good at this, and then slowly became one of the top students in the class.
So the biggest challenge would be, obviously, electrical and construction is very male dominated.
I've heard many rude comments from other guys on the building side. Oh, what are you doing here? Why you even come here? Your place should be in the kitchen.
They would say things like all the gear and no idea.
You want to prove them wrong, you want to show them that you want to do it.
If you just ignore negativity, then you will achieve what you want to set out in your goals.
You'll be surprised how many opportunities there are. You can go into design, you can be a supervisor, you can be a site manager. There's so much you can do. So many people have made me feel comfortable and they just treat me, you know, normal.
Getting to choose what work you do is probably a really nice part of working for yourself and working in trade.
I think I find most rewarding the fact that I am my own boss. Being that I am a single parent, I can come and go, I can start later.
It's only me and my tools, and it's wiring, connecting. I just found it very therapeutic for me.
What I love and find most rewarding is seeing the afters, knowing that something that was in such a poor condition before, I've made come to life and I've made it beautiful again.
It's very, very satisfying when you actually can solve the problem, and it's like, I did it. I solved this problem. It's just kind of happiness.
Back in 2018, I became a regional finalist for Screwfix Top Tradesperson UK. So that was a high point.
What I would say to people about becoming a tradeswoman is 100% go for it. You're going to experience so much.
It's your choice, and I think it's not as scary as it looks like.
I would say, as cliche as it is, you just have to be yourself. You know, you're going to be different from the people we work with, but you'll find connections.
Instagram, I've got quite a lot of girls on there that are in the trade. When you've had a bit of an off day, you turn to them and they give you their advice, I give them my advice, and it's really nice little community.
Get on every form of social media. When I started, I set up a Facebook business page, just built up a profile, posting your work continuously.
My personal dream in the future is to open a business, to set a business. I'm working towards it, and I think one day I'll get there.
They say, don't they, if you're doing something you love, you're never going to feel like you're working a day in your life, and I feel like that's so true.
Follow your dreams and you'll be a successful tradeswoman in the future.
We've heard from women about what they love about working in the trades, as well as some of the challenges that they face. Consumer demand is on the rise for home improvements generally, and tradeswomen specifically, so it's a real opportunity in the market right now. To help women get started in the trade sector, we've launched a special program on Rated People packed with offers and benefits to get you going. If you're interested in making a career change, click the link in the description below.